sorry, this has to be part 4. 1, 2, rockets at once.
Tell me.
And we got one at the mortar.
Every time I say something, you don't do it. So
do the fiery frog.
Should we get a little darker now?
No, it's pretty dark. We're not going to stay out a whole lot darker.
Do you want? This is part 4. That's so many parts.
Who wants to get? You guys can do a little.
Yeah, since we're I think it's dark enough. I can't even.
A little closer?
Yes. Yeah, so we can, just because we're doing this, don't do this one at home and get this close.
Show is hot. Like this thing.
Okay, he's lighting it up.
Who's ready?
Me.
Wait, does Morgan want to come? You guys move out of the way, they can't see. Like, move over there. Move over there. There.
Oh. You can't see much. Oh, no, the fiery frog isn't working. Oh, there we go. Go.
Whoa.
The frog is glowing and it's popping.
It's going to get bigger then.
Yes, it's gonna get way bigger.
Whoa.
This is so cool. It's not done yet. It looks like it's almost over. It looks like it's almost over, but it's not.
Awesome.
That was an awesome one.
Guys! Let's wait till the smoke clears out to do any bigger ones.
Yeah. So, like the other ones, we have Emerald City, 16 shots, and Red, White, and Boom.
Yep.
16 shots too.
What is that?
What are you doing, son?
One of those sparklers.
Ground.
Sparklers.
Oh, sparkler on the ground. Hopefully it doesn't light the whole the grass.
It probably will.
Yeah.
That's not gonna work.
There's a breeze blowing. It's hard to light it.
Oh, it's hard to light it.
That frog was awesome.
I know, that frog was amazing.
Did you see that frog, guys? That was the best.
Well, I guess that one's one of the small ones.
Maybe because of the wind blowing.
Yeah, it's because of the wind blowing. We might have to make a part. Oh,
Yeah.
there we go.
It's possible.
Nobody step on it. Woohoo! The biggest firework we have, the grand finale.
No, we actually have bigger ones.
All right, it's plenty dark enough, Caleb, to do something.
I know, I can't even see anything on my video.
City. Do the Emerald. Another one of these.
Yes! Yes!
Yes.
If you haven't seen my part 3, because this is going to be the latest video.
Yeah.
It's
I'm on part 3, guys. I'm gonna be on part 3, and when we get to the grand finale, I'm gonna make a part 4.
I'm already on my part 4 because I accidentally stopped the video. It sparks like that, and then it flies up.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Do another, because I accidentally.
Let's switch.
Weather advisory until, well.
it might start raining, so do
What do you
these
think,
quick.
Caleb?
9:45.
Quick, do these.
Rockets.
It might rain.
Strong thunderstorm.
Do a couple of rockets, and then we'll do one of those others.
We'll do Emerald City and then save this for tomorrow.
Why? Okay, I'll make a part 5, I guess.
What? Yes, we're going to have to make a part 5.
We're doing a few of these bottle rockets.
Oh, I'm on a part 4 now.
I'm on part 4 already. That's a bottle rocket. Okay, we're going to do another. He's going to do another.
Oh, boy.
Okay, we better do Emerald City.
Get ready to do Emerald City, because it's all like
We're not doing that yet.
Yes, we are.
Why not?
What?
It's going to blow up the rain. We don't get it done.
do it then. Come on.
Okay, come on, quick, go.
Wait, come on.
It's a lightning and thunderstorm, and I already saw.
Me.
We're ready.
Yeah.
We're ready.
It's only 16 shots.
Oh no, it's not lighting. Go away.
Yes, Caleb. I know that part.
Let's do the grand finale real quick.
Please.
Let's do some of
No, real quick, we can do the grand finale.
No.
Do 2 of those and then this.
We did one big one tonight. Now let's save some more for tomorrow.
Yep, I guess we're gonna have a part 5.
Okay, let's do another one.
Just do them out tonight.
I don't know. I don't care.
Let's go to the driveway and do these real quick.
Okay.
Because it's super duper dark and I want to know what they look like in the super duper dark.
It's so dark. We just want to see what it looks like. We would stop it here because it's about to have a thunder and lightning storm. So that's we're just doing it real quick. So, oh, he lighted it up.
Go.
Whoa, it looks so cool.
And it's on fire.
Throw it far.
That's actually pretty cool. Throw it far, Caleb. And it might spin around in the air. Caleb, make it spin around in the air.
Guys, this is so...
Go. Is this the end of the video?
Yep, I guess.
Bye, guys. See you later in part 5.
Okay, I'll see you tomorrow in part 5. For y'all, it won't be that long.
I'll go grab the
Bye.